Welcome to the kingdom. We have major market movement. I am going to sell this. I just got into the office. I'm a little bit late. This is what happened. All trade negotiations with Canada are hereby terminated. We had core CPI, month over month, year over year. Let's see if this heads down. Let's see if we get a break into the 100s. 1 minute in this video. We're in the positive. If it can stay above that yellow line, it's going to come back up to here. I think it can drop down to the 100s easy. If it comes back up to here, I'm going to get back in. We are overextended by a lot. We're up $300. We're going to sit and just play this one out. We're going to be patient. I do think this can fall, even if we wait until the market opens. Let's see what this next 5-minute candle does, which is going to be very important. It's staying right in those 150s. Let's go to a 1 minute. It's staying right there. It does look like it wants to go up because it's staying above that yellow line, so it does look like it wants to pop. Let's see what this next candle does. That definitely looks like it wants to pop. And there it goes. I'm still betting. Man, this blue line is the 130s. I'm still betting on this 130s. I didn't even know. I got down at the bottom. I got in at the bottom. Wait a minute. I'm looking for... Yeah, what did I say? I must have been looking at the Dow. Yeah, I was looking at the Dow with the 110s. This is the NASDAQ. I think this can go to the 460s. I'm going to wait 20 points. See if I can get 20 points out of it. Let's see if I can get 20 points. 460s. Even 463 would be 20 points. I did say that blue line would be 70. I'll just take my 300 for content's sake. Make this quick video showing you how I do it. Normally I would get in on that candle up top here. So I could have made a lot more money, but I'm going to take, oh man, I was up 400. Let's see if it comes down. There we go. There's 400. I want that 400. I probably should just take the 3. Because that does look like it might bounce off that blue line. See that? I do think I can get into the 60s though. We got 1 minute. I might just hold this candle. There's the candle and there's the pop. That's the 5-minute candle. I just said it was going to go off that blue line. I'm just going to take what I can. Let me take $400 out. $430. That is, I still think it can drop to this black line. But $430. 7-minute video. 8:30 in the morning. Look at that. Now it's dropping hard. And it does that every time I get out. Going down to the 460s, like I said. I'm looking at 462 and there's 462. That was my 20 points. I called it exactly. Amazing. If you like this content, if you like what I just did, I need a thumbs up. Give me a like. How hard is that? Subscribe to this video if you want to make $400 in 7 minutes. Still dropping. This is Kingdom Business. Wow, I was right. Hit my level exactly. $460 to the T, it hit my level. There was your $1,000 today. But I'm extremely comfortable with 400 in 7 minutes. Kingdom Business. I and God need you to get out there and create a kingdom business.